I built 5 websites in 30 minutes using AI, and they're already making money. I know that sounds impossible, but I'm about to show you exactly how I did it using a tool called AI Auto Sites. This WordPress plugin literally automates everything. It finds trending topics, writes SEO-optimized articles, creates videos with AI anchors, and even handles the monetization. I just picked my niches, hit a few buttons, and watched as complete websites appeared before my eyes. The craziest part? It's managing all 5 sites automatically, publishing fresh content daily while I sleep. For just $37, this thing has already paid for itself 3 times over. If you're tired of the manual grind of building websites, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, what is AI Auto Sites? It's an AI-powered WordPress plugin that builds niche or affiliate sites, creates SEO content, and even spins up short videos. From one dashboard, you can deploy templates, schedule posts, and manage multiple sites without touching code. Core features: automated site building, AI written articles, auto-publishing, AI video presenters, built-in SEO, and monetization blocks. It also pulls trending topics and organizes posts around low-competition keywords for easier traffic wins. Compared to building manually, you skip setup drudgery and focus on niche selection, monetization, and scaling. Its traffic engine prioritizes organic social posting, so you're not stuck paying for ads to get initial visitors. The sales page promises 6-0-second builds and background posting. That's aggressive, but the workflow is genuinely streamlined. Note: video features use tokens on lower plans, so plan usage if you publish daily clips. It supports multiple languages, so global niches are in play if you localize your offers. Pricing at the time of review: a one-time $37 entry, with optional upgrades for power users. Beginners get tutorials and support, which helps if this is your first multi-site build. Bottom line: it's an automation-first stack for niche sites, aimed at speed and consistency over perfection. Stick around, I'll show my setup flow, the real pros and cons, and who should actually buy this. Let's build one together in minutes, so you can see how it behaves end-to-end. First, install the plugin in WordPress, activate, and connect your API key or account. The onboarding wizard asks you to pick a niche, a template, and monetization blocks. Use keyword suggestions to target low-competition topics for quicker indexing. Templates are clean and mobile-first, which helps with core web vitals. Set the tone and length, tick internal links and images, then let AI draft the post. I always skim for accuracy, add sources, and tweak headlines for CTR. For video, drop in a presenter template, add captions, and keep it under a minute to save tokens. Schedule posts and let the social auto poster drip content 24/7. Insert affiliate boxes, comparison tables, and disclosure labels for compliance. Use non-intrusive ad spots to keep pages fast and readable. Aim for fast load time. Speed helps rankings and conversions. Hit publish. In under 10 minutes, you've got a working site with a content queue rolling. Duplicate the setup, swap the niche, and scale horizontally to 5 sites fast. Strength 1. Speed. It crushes setup time and keeps your pipeline full. Strength 2. SEO-ready drafts with headers, internal links, and metadata out of the box. Strength 3. Manage multiple sites from one dashboard. Huge for scaling. Strength 4. Consistent design tokens keep every site on brand quickly. Limitation 1. Base plans cap video tokens. Heavy video users need an upgrade. Limitation 2. You should still edit for accuracy and originality. Don't publish blindly. Limitation 3. Automation helps, but traffic and sales depend on your niche and offer strategy. Limitation 4. Like any plugin, watch compatibility and keep backups. Best for beginners, side hustlers, and marketers spinning up multiple micro-niche sites. Not ideal if you need heavy custom development or a bespoke CMS. Great fit if you'll localize content and target global affiliate programs. If you can repurpose posts into short social clips, the built-in video tools give you a head start. In short, it's a speed and scale package with sensible guardrails. Pricing sits at a one-time $37 during promos, with optional upgrades for advanced features. Value depends on your traffic funnel. Pair targeted keywords with relevant affiliate offers. It's more all-in-one than content-only tools, and cheaper than stacking multiple subscriptions. Pros: fast setup, AI content and video, auto social posting, SEO helpers, and monetization widgets. Cons: base token limits for video, edits required, and upgrades if you scale hard. There's typically a 30-day refund window, which reduces risk while you test a niche. My verdict: if you want multiple simple affiliate or news sites fast, this is a strong starting point. It shines for beginners and busy pros who need throughput more than pixel-perfect custom builds. Pick one niche, publish 3 posts, add 2 affiliate offers, and let it run for 2 weeks. You can learn more and see current pricing at the link in the description. Remember, Tools don't replace strategy. Use it to accelerate a plan you already believe in. If this helped, like and subscribe. Drop a comment with your niche, and I'll suggest starter keywords.